All right, Mike here with Reprint. This video, I am cleaning a 4-head i3200 DTF printer. It was very, very bad. This machine was just at a trade show and transported here, so the ink from the show, they didn't clean it before they sent it out. Nasty, nasty mess. This side I started cleaning. I took the wiper off to clean it properly. These cap tops, I started removing them, trying to clean underneath them, but it is a caked, gunky mess. So right here I have the cap tops. I'm going to show you how to remove these things, and they're very simple. There's 4 screws. Trying to do this with the camera. 4 screws. There is no spring mechanism or anything you have to be careful for when pulling these out, unlike some models. There we go. There's number 1. Number 2. And again, these are i3200 heads, so these are the cap tops for the i3200. I got 2 more over here. By removing these, it's going to allow I'm going to be able to gain access to be able to clean this nasty mess. This side again is looking much better, which is pretty vital to your printer's health. The maintenance and upkeep, making sure you keep all this clean, is very vital. Want to make sure it stays nice. Last screw right back there, number 4. All right, there we go. See if I can pull that out of there. Yep. And you can see this is nasty. All right, we're gonna pull that out of there. As you can see, there's just 2 hoses going there, and putting it back in there. You just take them 2 hoses off, apply it to your new one, just set it back down there. There's no springs, nothing to be scared of here. So now I'm gonna continue cleaning this nasty mess up. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone.